Okay.
All right. Should we do one more?
Yeah, let's do one more.
Okay. We're so good that we've been so patient to unbox together. Like, piles get a little tall over there.
When are we doing this on unboxing? Yeah. Sorry for all the paper noise.
It's part of the mystery and the intrigue.
Right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. So we have two different things. Mm-hmm. So what are you going to show?
I am going to show the spring cut and emboss folders.
Ooh.
Our spring, does it say spring?
I love those cut and emboss folders. I have a lot. I don't have all of them, but I do have a lot of them.
So on the box, it says they're spring cut and emboss, but on the actual, the project sheet, it says icon cut and emboss.
Oh, okay.
So we'll just call them spring icon. Covers everything. So yeah, there's our little sheet that comes with it.
Nice.
And yeah, oh, these are really cute. Okay, so we've got a whole set, a whole folder of crosses.
Nice.
And, so they cut and emboss. So the embossing is really pretty. Let's see if I can open it here. See if I can show you the embossing on it.
Oh yeah! Wow.
Right.
Those are great.
It's really pretty.
Yeah.
So those will be nice for a lot of different things. Easter, sympathy, just, get well, that kind of stuff. And this one it's very springy. So there's I think I'm showing it to you backwards. Here's, the horseshoe, the butterfly, a couple of, again, clovers, which we needed. Another butterfly and a little starburst down here.
Oh, those are nice.
Those are really cute. And then here's the embossing.
Gosh, that embossing, that's crazy.
Right? Look at that butterfly. Man.
Yeah, look at that starburst.
Yeah, it's really cute. Like, it's really detailed. For a little tiny one, it's really detailed. Even the clovers.
Yeah. Ooh.
Shamrocks.
You're going to have to cut some and show me what the embossing looks like.
Yeah. I'm excited about these. All right, let's see what you got.
Okay, so I got I don't know if I can say it, Honoka?
Yes.
That sounds right.
Hey, that's good.
Paper. And I am drawn to Asian details. I lived in South Korea for 18 months, and that's kind of where it began. And so when she previewed this paper, I knew I had to have this kit. Mm-hmm. So there's 5x7 and 12x12 papers. I'll just show this 5x7.
Nice. I knew even before I talked to you that you were going to be like, I need to have that paper.
This paper in my life. Absolutely. Like, I love all the shinashi that we've been playing with. So this is the same kind of pattern. This is so gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Is that like cherry blossoms? Is that what the pattern?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, and then it's just a plain. Mm-hmm. And then it comes in this crimson.
Oh, look at that. That's really pretty.
Ooh, look at this is cherry blossom.
Oh, okay.
Like, I have a embossing folder just like this.
Yes, you're right. There is something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yes. Ooh, look at the backside of that.
Nice.
Oh my goodness. I am in love with this paper.
So what color is that?
So it looks like it's a brown.
Okay.
I don't know if it's really brown or maybe it's like a dark. Yeah, maybe a plum. That's maybe probably what it is. Okay. Yeah.
But the flowers are like a pink color in the middle, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And there's a nice cream color.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
Right?
It's really classy paper.
Yes. Ooh.
Nice.
Some fishes.
Oh.
Koi. I think those are koi, right?
Oh, don't play koi. going with me.
Oh my goodness. Some more cherry blossoms.
Was that black? Is that black and white?
Yeah, it's like black and tan.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we've seen this in another color.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
I love this. Oh, gosh, look at that.
Oh, wow. Wow. And that's in a 12 by 12 too, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh,
butterflies.
Yes.
Oh, gosh. I just love them all. And this is the black and tan in butterflies.
Uh-huh. Wow, nice.
Oh, my gosh. I'm so glad I got this paper.
Was it just the paper or were there embellishments with it?
No, there's embellishments too.
Oh, yes. Yay. I'm excited.
I have 2 bags of embellishments.
Nice. Okay.
So these are the sentiments. Sentiments. These are really cool.
Oh, nice.
So it's like calligraphy.
It is. Yeah, like a brush stroke.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yep, that goes with it perfectly.
Yep. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Aww.
Congratulations. Happy birthday.
Nice.
Ooh. Always and forever.
Aww. I thought that Anna said she had this kit before, these papers before, and then decided to bring it back. I could be wrong, but I'm like, I don't even remember this. Like, it's so funny that I'm like, I don't remember something Anna Griffin. Like,
and I mean, we've seen a lot of Anna Griffin paper, and I don't ever remember seeing this. Like Chinoiserie, yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
This one says best wishes, but I want to do a shutter card out of this paper.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Mm-hmm. This one says you're the best. It's like a little tag.
Yeah. Fancy.
I like they're very colorful and I love these. Aww. Love and hug, sweet friend.
Oh, look at that. I like that one. I think that's my favorite one.
Oh, look at for someone special.
Oh, look at that too. I love how the backgrounds aren't just solid, but they're the print. Like I love that.
Yes. Yeah, they're just not solids. They're actually got some print to them too. These are gorgeous.
Very gorgeous.
Nice. Okay, let me put this back in the bag.
Thank you for sharing.
Absolutely. Thank you for sharing.
Oh, wow. That's cool. These are very round. I wonder if they would work on your china cabinet.
Maybe.
Oh, I love the lantern. Oh, nice. It's like a flower, right? Uh-huh. Oh, that's pretty too. Mm-hmm.
Very.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
These are.
You know what? This reminds me of too. Oh, that's pretty. If we did the I'm trying to think of the dies. It was the gatefold. I think it was the gatefold cards, and it had that little like frog closure die.
Oh yeah,
it was kind of Asian looking, Yeah, like that would look good with these. Oh, another lantern. I love lanterns. Oh, pretty.
So then they just kind of it looks like they're repeating a little bit, just different colors. They've got butterflies. Look at that.
Nice.
I'm going to be coy with you.
I love him. You know what he reminds me of? It's so funny. He reminds me of one of those fish that you put in your hand and they curl up and tell your fortune. Do you know what I'm talking about?
No.
Oh my gosh. Somebody out there knows what I'm talking about, right? Okay. It was like a little piece of, it looked like cellophane. And it was cut out in the shape of a fish. It was maybe about this long. And like, it was super thin. And so if I remember correctly, the thing was like the heat from your hand makes it curl up.
Oh.
And so I can't remember if it was like how much it curled was like, it told you your mood or your future or something like that. You know, it was something like that.
We must find those.
I know, right?
Right? You can buy anything on Amazon. Amazon's got to have that.
Yes. They were so fun as a kid.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at the cutouts. Oh, those are so cool.
And then we've got some fun little flourishes.
Mm-hmm.
Some flowers.
Uh-huh. This is a really nice kit.
This is really nice.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
And look at that.
Oh, that's really pretty.
This reminds me, it's an older die, but there's a die cut.
Uh-huh.
Right?
Yeah. It's
like
more. Mm-hmm.
So more koi fish.
Boy.
A little more.
Oh, yeah, pretty. I feel like there should be a crane.
There's no crane.
No crane. I feel like I want a crane.
I know.
But I do enjoy the koi. I didn't mean to rhyme. Amazing that I can go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's it. That's all I have.
Oh, that was so fun. That was lovely.
I can't wait for you to see this paper in person.
Then, yes.
Next month, right?
Yes.
We're like maybe a little over 30 days.
Yeah, a little over a month. Yeah. Like, uh-huh.
I can't wait to see you.
I know. Share all of our goodies with each other.
Oh, I know. There will be one small suitcase of clothes.
It'll be like a backpack. Backpack of clothes. The rest of the car is for our craft room. Yeah, our craft room. Our mobile craft room. Oh God, we have fun. Oh. Like this, y'all. Can you imagine what we're like when we're together?
Right.
It's ridiculous. As Ben always says, my husband, he'll say, "You're in the stratosphere." Just giggling girls.
Just giggling girls. Love it.
Oh, it's who we are.
I wouldn't change it for anything, sister.
Oh yeah, me either. Well, thanks for doing that. That was so fun.
That was a lot of fun. It
was worth the wait.
It was. I'm glad that we were able to do that together. It was perfect.
Absolutely.
Perfect way to end the day.
Yes.
All right. Well, I'll see you soon, okay?
See you soon. Hope y'all like this video. And if you like our unboxings, subscribe and hit like and let us know if you bought these products too and what you think of them. Because as usual, we're in love with it all.
All right. Until next time. Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all. Love y'all.
Love y'all.